Hey guys, it's Christine with Gauge Girl Training. It's day 2 of Vlogmas and I am about to bring you our second giveaway. So let's get started. So before I get started, can we please take a moment to look at my puppy? Look at this boy. Cashy. What are you doing? Is that your Christmas blanket? He's so cute. Sorry about that. Okay, so what we're giving away for day 2 of Vlogmas is we are giving away an entry and a free do-it-yourself program for the winner of this giveaway. Giving away a free 6-week winter shred. So the winter shred is a challenge with Gauge Girl Training, which starts January 1st, 2017. If you've never heard of our shred, check out these videos. It's an amazing program. We've had a lot of people have amazing results, and this is a $150 value, yours for free. In order to enter to win this, what you need to do is repost the post on Instagram, hashtag Gauge Girl Training Vlogmas Day 2, and what you need to do is tell me why you need to win. I'm gonna pick one person at random. This is not gonna be based on number of likes. Tell me why you deserve to win this. So the thing about the 6-week shred, it's a 42-day training plan. 42-day meal plan. It has 42 separate menus. It is designed to help you lose body fat in 3 phases. Phase 1 is 14 days. Phase 2 is 14 days, phase 3 is 14 days, and the macros change progressively. The thing about the winter shred that is special and different above and beyond all of the other shreds that I've ever launched is 2 things. So the first thing is the shred has video by video tutorials for how to meal prep every single meal on every single menu. In addition to it, it's like a 100-page PDF, tons of menus, substitution guides, recipes, free support to the Gauge Girl Training Forum. Like, we're kicking off 2017 with a bang, so it's an amazing program. We're really excited about it, but we just went above and beyond to provide you guys these visual tools to show you how to meal prep. In addition, there's like a column where it shows you and gives you notes and explains, but I think that by seeing it, it's gonna help a lot more people. The other thing that's exciting about this shred is for the winter challenge, the Winter Shred Challenge, which starts January 1st. Now, the Winter Shred is gonna be on sale December 21st, but there is a grand prize winner. The grand prize winner gets flown out to Philadelphia to meet with me and my team for the weekend. We're gonna work out together, we're gonna hang out, we're gonna eat dinner together, but the winner of the shred is going to get to participate in a fitness photo shoot with me and a bunch of my staff, so modeling our new apparel for 2017. So not only do you get flown to Philadelphia for the weekend, get to meet us, see Gauge Girl Training headquarters, which I will do a headquarters tour in a separate video. I'm just really excited about that. We really want to just allow you to be part of our photo shoot, and you'll be in our ads for the year. So even if you're not entering to win this giveaway, you do want to participate in the shred. So check it out on Instagram at Gauge Girl Training. You need to follow at Gauge Girl Training, follow the 6-week shred, hashtag Gauge Girl Training Vlogmas Day 2, and tell us why you deserve to win. And then internally, we're gonna pick somebody. And if you wanna check out yesterday's winner, go to my Instagram at Gauge Girl Training to check it out. So take care, have a good day. I decide something, I want it, I go after it, I get it. But when it came to my body, I couldn't freaking make it happen, and it started to piss me off.